Hey man, if you're looking how to get dressed like Morant or your favorite basketball player, your favorite rapper, stop what you're doing. This is the video for you. Hey man, say man, it's your boy tayquees TV. I'm back with another video, my nigga. And you feel me? This video, you feel me? It ain't really like none of my videos, you feel me? I do story times, reactions, all type of shit. You feel me? This is a hair tutorial, so you can feel me. But as y'all see, I got the dreads in my head. But if you watching this video, you clicked on this video. The title of the video is how to get dreads like Morant, my nigga. You feel me? I feel like I've been seeing my nigga Hoop, he been turning up. You feel me? I feel like a lot of niggas want to know how to get dreads, so this perfect opportunity to fill in my opportunity. You feel me? But like, comment, subscribe if you're new. It's your boy tayquees, and I'm just gonna jump straight into it, you feel me? So boom, I'm really here. I'm gonna break down how the best ways to go through the ways to start dreads. I'm gonna go through how I started my dreads personally, and how to maintain your dreads to get them to the point where they long, and how you can get them like Ja, how you get them like me, you feel me? But shit, let's jump straight into it. There's two ways I would start my dreads, you feel me? One way is freeform dreads, you feel me? You can really towel rub, you can do, it's millions of videos and thousand videos how to freeform dread, but towel rub, you feel me? You can do the shower, get your hair wet, shake it out, you feel me? Rub it with a towel, you feel me? You can do all them the same type methods, you feel me? The sponge, OG sponge, you feel me? But the way I started my locks is, I got them cone twisted, but then I got them crochet locked at the ends, you feel me? So I played football, that's why I did that. But my hair grew like, I got my hair, I ain't gonna know, I don't really know. I got my hair like my sophomore year. But yeah, my hair like got really long, bro. Like, the shit I do to maintain it, like I play sports and shit. Like if you watching, you either a big fan of sports or you play sports yourself. Another way to like, if you play sports and shit, you kind of gotta pay extra attention to your hair, cause like I know how I feel. You always pulling your dreads back. You feel me? Putting in ponytails. You feel me? Doing hella shit to your hair. You gotta pay extra attention. You gotta take care of the roots. Apple cider vinegar wash. But I'm gonna make multiple videos on how to like take care of your dreads. This might be a whole little series, cause I made a previous video with King Von and Dirk how to get your dreads like that. But yeah. But those are two ways I would start off my dreads. Those are a few maintenance tips I would use. But I'm gonna continue the video and get into some more things about dreads, you feel me? Another thing I wanna say is trust the process, my nigga. Well, I'm gonna keep it straight business, 100% real deal with y'all niggas. But when I first got my dreads, them shits was ugly as fuck. Like, I don't know, I know a lot of niggas with dreads, but I don't know one nigga who was just like, yeah, my shit hard off the rip. Like, you gotta go through that ugly phase, bro. Like, and really, the ugly phase is this why dreadheads so damn cocky, bro. Cause they went through that ugly phase. You still getting bitches in that ugly phase, and when your dreads get long, folks, they coming, folks. I ain't gonna lie, they love us dreads heads, folks. Yeah, folks, they love us. You don't think they love dreadheads, folks? Go watch my story time. You'll see how crazy they go for tayquees, my nigga. You feel me? But shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you feel me? That's the only bad thing I would say about the whole dread process is like, yeah, you're gonna have your little ugly phase. Me, I did it in between school, so boom, the summer coming before the next school, I just wore a do-rag 2 weeks straight. Right before school, I got a retwist. My shit was damn near right here, like damn near right here, my sophomore year. Cause I had that fro before and shit, but yeah, that's what I did. So I feel like if you not comfortable being ugly, or you're not comfortable with your hair being short itself, grow your hair out a lot of hair and then get your shit done. But if y'all want me to show y'all how I retwist maintenance, I just get a lot of views, you feel me? I'm gonna come back and make this a whole series, you feel me? But I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much. It's your boy tayquees TV. Block 23 with a stick, and I'm out.